Before we start this video, JT became a science teacher, so Reddy White is the principal. Man, I have to go to school. I fucking hate school. Oh tits. It's Rocco. Alex, time for school. Alex, stop being a brat. And let's go to school now, or else you're grounded. Okay, fine. Good morning, class, and today we're learning about coronavirus. Hunter. What? Can I take a piss in the bathroom? No! Remember the last time you went, you ditched school again. I want to the bathroom now. No! But I'm gonna piss in my pants if I can't go. Fine. But if I catch you ditching school for the third time, I will call the police to send you to jail. Fine, I won't. Man. What should I do? I can't ditch school. Perfect! I will pull the fire alarm again. And also I will burn up Blenter's classroom while he's out of sight. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god! It's the fire alarm. It better not be Alex again. Everyone head outside. Now let's check if there's any fire. Good. Now that he's out of sight, I can burn up Blenter's classroom. Ha 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 ha. I burned his classroom. Oh no, it's Blenter.
Alex, 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 Alex. What the heck are you doing?
I burned your classroom.
Alex, how dare you burn my classroom?
Because your classroom suck.
My classroom is not. My classroom is nice. And guess what? You got a field trip to Reddy White's office. Go now.
But.
Now.
Wah.
Ugh, what did you do this time?
Nothing.
Ugh. I smell fire. Did you burn up Hunter's classroom?
Yes.
Ooh. Alex, I cannot believe you burned up Hunter's classroom. And you also pulled the fire alarm. And guess what? You have detention for 1 hour. Go to detention right now.
Fuck detention.
Then I'm giving you 2 hours of detention for saying fuck detention. More like, for complaining about it. Anyways, go to detention right now.
Fuck no. You dragged my fucking hair.
Hey, stop with your potty mouth. The detention teacher will be here soon. Now stay here while I'm calling Rocco.
Okay, class. You won't do any more lessons today. Because there is a student who has detention for 2 hours. And what will we do when you're gone? Well, you can do whatever you want. Thanks, Hunter. No problem. Hello, and welcome to the detention. I will explain all the rules in detention. There will be no talking, no jumping on your seats, no eating, no playing on your phone, no begging me to go home, no air conditioning, no drinking, no cussing, and no bathroom breaks. I want to go home. Hey! I said stop talking. I want to go home. If you beg me to go home one more time, something bad will happen. I want to go home, 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 I want to go home. That's it. Concussion time. Now stand up. I'm out of the detention. Yes! I'm out of the detention. Oh no, what the fuck are you doing? Please don't drag my hair back to the detention. Wah! You dragged my hair. Now go to your seat. Not if I escaped first. Wah! The door's locked. Alex, I don't fucking care at all. Okay, you know what? I'm going to roast you. You're a crybaby and a sore loser. I hope your fucking videos are reported. I hope your YouTube channel is terminated. No wonder why you are dying all the time on Roblox. I'm better than you on Roblox. Your YouTube channel is the worst channel ever. I hope you lose all of your money. And you're wearing diapers inside of your pants and you're gonna poop in your fucking diapers.
Ooh. Alex, how dare you roasted me?
It's because you're a bitch and your classroom smells like your fucking ass.
I can't believe you cussed at me. Eat this. Alex, that's what you get for roasting me. Also, Rocco is here.
Where the hell is Alex?
He ran away.
Ooh. I'll find him.
Before you go, I will tell you what happened. First of all, I told you he pulled the fire alarm, and second, he burned up my classroom. But that's not all.
What else did he do?
He also misbehaved in detention. And he fucking roasted me.
That brat deserves to be grounded for life. And I will find him right now. You're not going anywhere. You're coming home with me. Oh crap. It's Rocco. Why? Stop crying about it. Ooh. Alex, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm again. You also burned up Hunter's classroom, misbehaved in detention, and roasted Hunter. That's it. Concussion time. Why concussion time all the fucking time? You do never ask me why. That hurts. So bad. I don't care. Also, you're grounded for life. Now go upstairs to your room right now while I'm destroying your PS3. You're not destroying my PS3. Alex, I'm destroying your PS3 and that's final. No. Please don't destroy my PS3. Why? My PS3. It's destroyed. Alex, I'm not buying you a PS3, not anymore. Tell me why, then it's concussion time. Now stay in your room. And think about what have you done.